Hello family and friends, we got us a project today. We always have a project for y'all to watch. You just gotta put stuff down and sit and watch it for a little bit. We're outside, we got a water valve to change. See, our little water valve, it's been broke for a while, so it's time to change. We got a little water line that goes out here to the goat pen, so we don't have to carry buckets of water all the time. But look who we got here. We had to get them out of their pen because he's getting a little aggressive. Aren't you, Rust? He doesn't want me to be in his pen anymore. Look at him, he's wagging his tail. He's going, I'm gonna turn around and smack you. And there's another little Billy, that's Arnold. And there's Dolly. We got a couple of girls in here. But I tell you what, he'll surprise you, run up behind you and smack you with right there. I know, I got the bruise still to show it. Anyway, let's get out here and see what we got to change, okay, Sandy? Let's get through this gate. I got me a bucket of tools. Yeah, old Arnold out there, he's doing good. And then we got Lambert over here. Look at him. Look at that smiling face. He's going, yeah, y'all come on out here and pet me. Look at that tail just a wagging. I brought me a whole bucket of tools to see what it's going to take to do that. We're going to move this out of the way in case there's something hiding underneath there that might get me. Oh, here comes Rocky. Look behind you. Hey, Rocky.
Hi, Rocky.
What are you doing, fella? He's wanting to be petted, but he wants to be petted by you. Ooh, you smell today. Goodness, what did you get into? All right. I brought me something to put my knees on to try to keep the fire ants and stuff off of me. These old feed sacks come in pretty handy. And I brought a whole bunch of tools, rags. You can see the faucet broke off, and it's plastic or whatever. And you can't find another one, and you can't get that screw out. Let's turn it on, because I got the water turned off at the house. And then let's see if we can get this line off of it. That line's probably been on there for 10 years, that hose. Now there's two pipes here. This is the water line, that's just kind of a brace to kind of hold it in place. Yeah, that's plastic. Now, optimum is we're gonna try to just unscrew this without breaking anything. If we do, then we got a little bigger problem. And then, do we have the right fittings? So we're going to try to unscrew this and see how it does. That's kind of hold it so we don't break anything. Come on, please be nice. Now it's old, it's been there a while. Let's see, I think I may be able to unscrew it right there. Oh, look at that. Well, we're going to have to move that piece, aren't we? I can't believe that unscrewed, to tell you the truth. Ow, I get fire ants. Somebody's biting me down there. Get that out of the way. There we go. Oh, I can't believe that unscrewed, can you? I was expecting the worst. I thought I was going to have to cut that off and everything. So you can see the top of it broke off. And that thing's probably as old as some of y'all. Okay, we got us a new faucet. Sandy's right there behind you. You can grab that and hand it to me. Now the big thing is, did I guess and get the right thread? What did I do with the old one? Oh, put it right there. Oh, that's close. Let's see if it's going to screw in there. Oh, it is. That's wonderful. All right, we got some tape to put on this. I was prepared to cut the pipe off. You know, if I known it was going to be this easy, I might have done this a long time ago. This way we can put water out here for all the animals. We're going to put a little tape around it to seal it good. Now, I don't know if we can get too much tape on this. All right, let's wrap this back up. And you know, see how some things you set them down somewhere and you can't find them? That's what I did to this. I'm not going to tell you how long I've had this, but it's been a while. Sandy quit laughing at me. But I searched, it got my whole garage rearranged so I could find it. So it's cleaned out pretty nice right now, just so I could do this. All right, let's see if we can screw this in here. And it's bright red. We ought to be able to find it out here. That feels pretty tight. I almost hate to go any tighter. But I need to get it on around, don't I? All right, that's good right there. Okay. I guess the next thing to do is let's put this back on. And we'll go up there and turn the water on. I'm sitting on top of it. Ooh, hear that sand grinding in there. Come on. It had nothing screwed on it, but that one thing is so long. Come on, tighten up. All right, I'm gonna run up and turn the water on before I tie this wire around the base of that to hold it steady there a little bit. So let's go turn the water on. The hose is leaking. All right, we got the water turned back on. Let's see if we got any water. Got a little drip out of the hose, but that just needs a new gasket. I can do that. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. The faucet leaking? Don't look like it. Just the hose there. I got some more gaskets up there in the building. I'll go get some. But now I can turn the water off and on without a pair of pliers. Let me show you my pair of pliers. Whoop, almost fell over. I'll show you. This pair of pliers has been sitting out here a while. Would you say it's kind of rusty? I'm going to fix them, don't worry. But look at them. That's been my knob for the faucet for a long time. So we're going to put that in the bucket, and it won't be long. They'll look like that. I'll get them fixed up. So anyway, let's tie this back together. Now, my dad tied this. Let's see if I can tie it the same way he did it. And it's a piece of wire, but it's real flimsy wire, so it's not real tight. All right, just something to kind of help steady it a little bit. Like I said, I got some more gaskets, so we'll get that. But that is great. It's fixed. I got no more knobs and stuff to do. Okay, that gets us another project closer to getting some of these things done before it gets to be, what, 100 degrees outside? Now, you already seen all these tools in here. I was prepared for it to be really bad because that's been on there a long time. Let's pick up my deal there. Well, we got that project wrapped up. We're going to get the goats that we'd put up and put them back out here in their field. Rocky here just wanting some attention. He's a beautiful guard dog. Sit up. Sit up. Let everybody see you. Say hello. He's just a good dog. I tell you what, for a good guard dog, these Great Pyrenees are just really wonderful. Anyway, I appreciate y'all watching our videos. Hope you enjoy just being outdoors. We got a nice overcast day out here today. Let's have some rain the rest of the week, so we'll have some grass growing for all of our goats out there. Anyway, y'all hit that subscribe button. Hit your thumbs up. Tell me what you like. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.